guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to pack your bike for to take it on the flight. What I have is a bike bag. I got it on Amazon and I'm using that. So the first thing is I have removed the wheels, both front and back, and then my seat was quite big, so I've removed the seat as well. So I've just removed the handle, the screws of the handle, and then just put it in the side. I'm not removing any of these cables, it's just on the side. On the cassette I have just put this material so that it doesn't break. And also I have removed these from the wheels. And on the wheel I have put this one, some cushion on this so that it doesn't break. So I'm going to put all these things together, and that should be good. So all these spares parts, I'm just going to use this bag. All these spare parts. I've also removed the pedal. Here, flat. So I'm going to put this front and the back wheel here, and the front wheel goes here.